Greetings, Earthlings. It is Shaboy, Mr. E. How's everybody doing today? Happy Tuesday. Makes you think tomorrow should be called Threes Day, but it's not. Anyway, happy Tuesday. Welcome to a little market update. Got some charts to breeze through. We're going to start off on Mr. BTC, Bitcoin, the king of the crypto. We got a fib retrace on here from swing high 48,125 down to the bottom. And you can see this lines up with some supports and resistances I have drawn on here. Right now we are breaking through this 618 level. Just got this little line on here. We'll see if price comes down to test this level. Will be a good sign for the bulls. If that even happens, next resistance is above at 31,909. And if we start to break down, we do have some support down here. 786 level is finding confluence with this little support zone. So there are some supports underneath if things do turn around, but right now bulls are in control after yesterday's breakout of the range, and we are currently extending. We will see how far this goes. Moving on to the SPX, bit of a doji candle today, so kind of some indecision. We did hold the upper trend line on our daily bull flag chart, so not a whole lot going on there, just kind of consolidating sideways on the daily chart. Bigger picture, things are pretty much the same, so just tightening up today, not a whole lot happening on the SPX. Total market cap, we're punching through this resistance. Nice green candle yesterday, kind of a big upper wick on there, but we'll see how it happens. We're opening up green as we speak today, and the dominance is on the rise as well. So Bitcoin in control of the crypto market. Another chart I was looking at, I was breezing through some charts today, found this. This is Coinbase, which is the leader in the American crypto space. Some would say it is the leader in the global crypto space. They are publicly traded on the NASDAQ, which is the only one, I believe. I could be wrong, but I think it is the only publicly traded crypto exchange. So some stronger regulations with there, just a little more confidence with Coinbase as compared to some of these other exchanges. So that is something to keep an eye on the crypto sphere. This could be the market leader in terms of exchanges and other crypto services. So anywho, about the chart, we have a bit of a inverse head and shoulders here playing out. You can see this down trend line has been broken, or a retest, and we are coming up to test this horizontal resistance right now. You can see the volume increasing, and the volume really picked up back here. So this could be something to keep an eye on. If the crypto and the Bitcoin continue to head north, there is a good chance this chart will follow suit. Moving on to the Bitcoin Bollinger Band squeeze, you can see we are coming out of our squeeze. The BBW is coming out of its lower range. We are extending out of this top band here. We almost had a full closure above the band, which is a statistical outlier. If you go back and look, you won't see a whole lot of those. There's one down here to the outside, one here, a couple here, and you can see when we get these big moves up, they either ride the band, or very few of them actually close full bodies outside of the band. So we did have a little piece of the candle in there. We'll see how this next one plays out. So it's just something to keep an eye on as far as volatility. Run through the stochastics. MACD fresh cross up. Stochastics. Run through the time frames. 2 days up, 3 day up, 4 day up, 5 day pretty much sideways. Blue is still on top. 10 day tapping the 100. Weekly tapping the 100. 2 week up. 3 week up. Monthly up. Bulls in control on the major time frames. Ethereum still in our rising wedge pattern. Watching this downtrend resistance line on the RSI. We'll see if that breaks out. If we see some sort of a trap formation for the Bitcoin, this is still a potential target. Looking at our uptrend chart. Still in this channel, broke out of this fib range. You can see we're coming right up to this resistance here on this rising channel, and we'll see if we poke through it or just kind of ride up. Pretty big move here. I would expect some sort of a retrace relatively soon. 4 hour RSI is still pretty high. We're in the 83, 84 range. See how long we stay at these levels. If you look at the MACD histogram, momentum is decreasing. So we'll see what happens with that. Our triple RSI chart. Bull flag still in play. We'll see if we can hit this target. Still an aggressive target, but this is the Bitcoin. This is the crypto, and anything is possible. One other look, daily RSI coming into the 70 level, technically oversold. So this would be a divergence until we take out this 72.72 level. As you can see, we have a high and a higher high, and we have a high and a lower high, but it looks like that might get taken out relatively shortly. All right, so that's today's update. One other chart I wanted to show, a couple fancy pants little indicators down here. So this is called the Volume Divergent Polarity Grid by Donovan Wall. Thank you, sir, for sharing that with us. This is just a quick look. You can see the red is the bear market and the bright green is the bull market. And when you get a transition out of the red into the green, a lot of bullish momentum coming in, and that just recently happened here. After all this red, we got our first few bars of all green, just another bullish sign. This is called the Kalman RSI. It's just another RSI look. So green bullish, red bearish, and when the lines get real tight up here at the top, that signals major market peak and or reversal. This is a bit of a lagging indicator, but just another indicator to put in your pocket and take a look at. Fun to pair it with some other indicators and just get a different view, another level of confirmation to make educated trading analysis and decisions. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe and the like. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow.